this is HoneydewDev Development. Today we are finishing up the website services. We've gotten cloud computing, custom software development, application development for the mobile phone, consulting services, e-commerce development, integration services, web and web design and development, all finished. And we actually are on the point where we're doing cybersecurity compliance. So the one thing I want to note is that we are using AI to finish our web development, a little bit of our content. Okay, so here we go. File name is going to be cybersecurity underscore compliance underscore magenta underscore black. And I'll right click on that, hit copy over here, and already downloaded it. And we are going to the download section. So actually we'll upload. And use Dally. Right click, paste. I selected everything but the extension. It's not web key. It's a new type of extension for photos. The compression is a lot better. Okay. Up open. The reason I made sure that I excuse me. The reason I made sure working in the rain yesterday. Cutting grass. Don't ever cut grass in the rain. Alright, the reason I made sure that I got even down to the file name correct is because that actually matters on search engine optimization. Alright, so even get your file name correct. We're going to put alternative text in there. That's the text that when you hover over it, it makes a little tag. Let's see, like that. See that? Or that. That's called alternate text. Alternative text. It's actually read by narrators. When the narrator goes in and it sees a picture, it doesn't see the picture. It probably sees the picture now, but back in the day, it only could see the alternative text. Like type nothing in it, glaze over it. It would just say, picture here or nothing at all. So we're gonna copy that. We're gonna put the alternative text here. This is a photorealistic artwork. It's a black cybersecurity feature. Connect digital elements with secure looks with secure locks, symbolizing data protection. Alright. And now we're going to go to caption text, which is actually being seen. Then it has a, it's going to be right under the image. Now we're also going to title, as well as a description. Now the title, the description is going to be shown on Google. Let's say when you go to Google Images and click the image, it actually has a title and a description. And that's what you see. So I'm going to make sure that I did it correctly. The correct keywords. So if somebody's actually typing in magenta and black, or somebody typing in digital artwork, photorealistic, boom, that'll come up under magenta and black photorealistic digital artwork. But if somebody's not looking for that, and I hope that they're looking for something like network grids, data flows, cybersecurity and compliance. Guess what? Even my pictures give me search engine optimization over the rest of websites, because all of my pictures are optimized for the search engine, so people can find my website. So when they find this picture, right, on the images, they're going to click on the picture. The picture goes to my website. All right. So that's another thing. It doesn't just show the picture. It brings it to your website. So that's good for search engine optimization. So that's one real good key about SEO. When you put pictures in, make sure they have the metadata. This is called metadata on the other side of the picture. Okay, and you can go even a step further. And let me show you something. When you right click on this and go into the properties of this, okay, there's something called details. It'll show the ratings, the comments, the date taken, the program name it was created under, the date acquired. Now you used to be able to double click and actually type in or edit this stuff. I think Windows is kind of like change things where you can't edit it. But right here it says remove properties and personal information. Create a copy of all possible properties. Remove the following properties from this file. You can actually remove properties you don't want there. If I don't want, let's say, the program name, because it was like made in Photoshop or something like that, or made in AI, maybe you can click it out. But that's the only thing you can remove at this present time. It's actually not even there. But yeah, just a thought about what the personal information might be. You know, like if it was taken by a camera, you don't want your camera information in there, right? That would be right here. The lens, make it a lens model. The flash, make it a flash model. All of that. So I don't really know why you would want it out, but there's an option to take it out. But it's not in there for now because it's not a picture that has been taken on camera. So anyhow, just to delve a little deeper, I like going a little deeper because I have deeper knowledge on Windows and file extensions. You know, if you want to talk to me about that, I can talk at length about things of that nature. But let's go back and focus on the file. We uploaded it already. Metadata on it. It's in the media library here. We're going to set it as a featured image. And look at that. Our SEO analysis now has a smiley face. Now it is good. It worked before. It's okay. Putting an image in a WordPress article or any article makes it okay. That's SEO. And I have Yoast SEO on the back end. Right. I use Yoast SEO as a plugin to make sure that my I use it for my SEO to make sure that all of my articles are ranking online. And you can go a step further and desktop result, the mobile result, review it as that. I make sure that the SEO title is exactly what it's supposed to be. This is the title, the page separator, and the site title. I don't change that. Try to get everything green. Okay, this right here, this is not green. Why? Because it's too many words. If I was to do this, chop, here a little bit more, chop. That's, well, it would be green. Sometimes it's just a little too long. See, the meta description is over 156 characters. To ensure the entire description is visible, you should reduce its length. I'm not going to reduce its length. This is an improvement. If it was a problem, it would be listed here. Under outbound links and internal links, these things that are going out to other websites, a link going to another website is called an outbound link. An internal link is a hyperlink that is created from a word, and on the back of that word, when you click on it, it goes to a website. It goes to another page on this website. That's an internal. Outbound link is the same thing, a word. On the back of that word, when you click on it, it goes to another https://www.blank. And it can also be it can also open in a blank page, a blank window, or it can open in the same window called self. I always open it blank so that you can keep the original website on, open for further clicks after you close that other website. We don't have any outbound links or internal links. And the reason I did that is because I'm just trying to get the content correct first, and after that, I'm going to put a plugin in there that will actually interlink all of the articles together. It'll interweave all of their articles together. And if they don't have one out there, I'll make one. Basically, what we're doing is we're taking this article and this article, and if there are words in this article that talk about this article, I'll make a link from this article to that article, and it's like a network, a mesh, if you will, that interconnects your website internally. So I call it internal link. It lets people flow through their thought process or their interest based. Ooh, I like that word, meta description. I want to see more about meta description. And they click on it, and it goes to a page about meta descriptions. See, this is what makes the website more fluent. It's flowing. It lets it flow better, and it extends the user's session time on your website. And you want a user's session time on your website to be immense, as much as possible. You want it to be where they love your website so much they share your website with other people, or as you would say nowadays, instead of just sharing a www. You would actually go here, right here, and say social. So on social media, it would share it on social media. Now, if the button is a button on here that says share, they can share this web page, and I want the social title already be in there for you. They don't have to type anything. So on all social media, I actually have something in social media. I'm gonna say I have something. I told AI to create an article title as well as an article description for social media. So when I go here and I make this picture, and this picture is made from this article, right? Describing this article. These social titles are describing the article for HoneydewDev development. So see, paste that in there. And the social description is here. Paste that in there. Now we'll select the image. I'll select the same image. Now look, X appearance. X is Twitter. If you don't know, X, Twitter changed into X, and then I have a different set of titles and descriptions for Twitter. X, I said Twitter/X. Okay, got that in there, and it used to have hashtags in there as well, but that's neither here nor there if we need it or not. And sometimes it has little emojis in it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go up top, hit publish. Status right here. Status changed from draft to publish. Okay, the visibility is public, and the SEO is good. The readability is good, and all of our things are in place. Okay, the only thing I would have to do after this was go down here and say contact us today. We'll get into a link. Control K, type in CON, and you can find contact us at the page right here, and just hit enter. Boom. That is the link. Contact us today. So that is that's called an action, a call to action. Okay, at the bottom it's a call to action. Boom, click, and it goes to the contact us page. All right, see right there. That's the and that increases readability as well. So we're going to make our slug cybersecurity and compliance. Going back to 2. Maybe I have one in here already. But anyhow. Alright. We're out of here. Only have 15 minutes to give you. I just wanted to let you know. On really quickly. Click here. HoneydewDev business tab video theme has been added to the site. Click that. I'll show you guys. Yeah, so our Microsoft Edge add-on puts your business in front of a potential audience of over 10 million active users worldwide. You can advertise your business on our platform for $100 a month or $999 a year. We can save 16.6%. All right, and it basically looks like this. Go on the left, thing on the right, and your business on the bottom.